The US State Department recently approved an $18 billion arms sale to Israel involving F-15EX fighter jets and upgrades for existing F-15S. This deal will significantly enhance Israel's air defense capabilities. Israel, a key US ally, faces numerous security challenges from neighboring countries and terrorist organizations. The F-15EX, with its advanced radar, electronic warfare capabilities and large weapons payload, is designed to address these threats. This sale underscores the United States' commitment to Israel's security and will impact the balance of power in the Middle East. The F-15EX jets will provide Israel with a significant advantage in air combat, featuring advanced radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities. These jets are highly survivable, equipped with countermeasures to defend against enemy missiles. The interoperability between US and Israeli forces will be greatly enhanced, streamlining communication and coordination for joint operations. The deal includes training and support from Boeing, ensuring effective operation and maintenance of the new fleet. This comprehensive support package highlights the long-term commitment of the United States to Israel's security. The sale of F-15EX jets to Israel presents challenges for Boeing, which must ramp up production to meet the demands of this large order. Currently producing 1 to 2 jets per month, Boeing will need to increase this rate to meet Israel's delivery timeline. The company faces scrutiny over its manufacturing processes and must address quality control issues. To meet demand, Boeing will invest in its workforce and infrastructure, including hiring skilled workers and upgrading facilities. Managing the supply chain is crucial for timely delivery of components. Successful fulfillment of this order is vital for Boeing's reputation and future contracts. The sale of F-15EX jets to Israel has reignited the debate over US military aid. Critics argue that the US provides excessive assistance, citing Israel's strong defense industry and economic strength. Concerns about Israel's human rights record are also raised. Proponents emphasize Israel's unique security threats and the importance of a strong Israel for Middle East stability. The US has provided billions in military aid, helping Israel build a powerful military to defend against wars and terrorist attacks. This complex debate involves political, strategic, and moral considerations and is likely to continue. The successful delivery of F-15EX jets to Israel is crucial for Boeing's reputation as a reliable military aircraft supplier. Boeing has faced criticism for production delays and cost overruns on other programs. This deal is an opportunity to rebuild trust with customers and stakeholders. Failure to deliver on time and within budget would damage Boeing's reputation and future contract prospects. The financial implications of a failed project could be substantial. Boeing must leverage its expertise and resources to ensure successful delivery, impacting its future in the defense industry.